if we're going to make a really clean, clear pedal change without noise like that, we have to use a slower release and a slower depression to eliminate the noise. As soon as you slow all that down, your fingers have to do so much more work. That's not printed. Now our left hand is sustaining the A and the C, even though they're not written to be sustained across the pedal change. Maybe even the right hand is going to sustain that C and the F and the A that's printed. Notice all of my fingers, they're all still in the keys. They're not releasing. Now when the pedal changes, all of that texture stays. Isn't that so much better then? That just goes, it's like adding a hiccup in the middle of our phrase. Da, 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 da. We don't want to play phrases with hiccups.